Hey guys, I wanted to give you a little update about my current project. Um, I'm building a project where you can create some different. Oh, that was my cat. Where you can create a kind of a data migration project where the user can create their own tables inside of it and maybe help them to manage their um, creation of SQL scripts, because currently at my work there's a problem where we are managing our content for the database inside of an Excel file. And always when we want to create a migration script or update some data to it, we have to send around the Excel file to create or append the data. So I thought I will build some project, probably maybe a SaaS project where some people pay, um, where the user can then create this workflow. Currently, you can create a new project. You can give it a name, let's say showcase. When we create a project, we see it here. We can go to edit, and here we can define our table structure. Let's say we have a table because I'm working with devices on the machine. We can say we have a device where the device has a serial number, which is a text because it can have letters in it. Then we can say a CAN profile, which is always a number because it's defined by us. And then we can say created, where we can say it is a date field. This way, we have created an empty table where we can append rows. I currently don't like the row aspect, how we can append it. I like it more when we, if you know the IntelliJ SQL editor, where you can just have the table and then you can insert into the rows. This is a plan for maybe tomorrow or the next days. Then we can say here the serial number is 1 to 9. Let's say this is the CAN profile, and here we can have a date picker. Let's say created, it was 12 February, and we can say, okay, we add a row. Here we can see the row, and the table is dynamically created based on the columns we define. And then we can also create a new table where we say, okay, a device is always at a machine, so we can say machine. Then we can say this is a VIN. It has, let's make a joint table, device ID or device serial number, number, which is text, the VIN2, and then we can also create a date with the date picker. So now we have a tab here. We can tap between them. Yes, we can go here and say this is the VE like this, and then I did something like this. And this is also, let's say this was created the day before. And we have created a machine, and we can go on and have as many tables as we want. Has this too. It is also saved here. I think the last updated maybe is not working. But as you can see, we can go inside of this showcase. It is still here. We can go back. We can see this here. A new test. This is also working. The future goals will be to also allow to import a CSV file. So when other companies or other users have their data inside of a Excel file, CSV file, they can just do an export and import it into the project. And then I will create dynamically the table rows, columns for them based on their sheets in Excel. And then basically they can do a quick export where they have an SQL script for every for every sheet or every table. This is a quick export, and also I want to have a custom export button here where they can define their own SQL script based on the column names. And yes, this is the current state of the project. Maybe this sparks your interest in building something on your own. If you are currently building something on your own, then please let me know. And maybe also post a GitHub link. I can check it out and maybe review it also on stream, because I stream on Twitch, and make a video about it. Thanks for your attention and have a great day.